Hi friends, today we are doing pages 24 and 25. We are going to be talking about those J and S words again, as you can see by the title at the top. Let's read number 1. It says 4 of the words on the list are synonyms. Who remembers what a synonym is? Synonym means words that, remember synonym, we always say same. Okay, it's words that mean the same thing. Okay, so on our list right here, there's 4 words that are a synonym for the word big. So what word on the list would mean the same as big? Synonym is the same. Remember, antonyms are opposite. So let's look for a synonym for big. Write them on the lines. Oh, they do use challenge words too this time. Okay, so let's go down our list and see if we see a word that means the same as big. Age, space, change, jawbone, jacket, giant. That could mean the same as big, couldn't it? So that's what you're doing. You're looking for the other 3 words now that mean the same as big. Okay? Now, fun part. When you get down to number 2, it says write 3 sentences about a dinosaur. Use 4 of the spelling words. And then it says don't use any synonyms for big. So any of the words that you wrote up here, you're not going to use. And I'm going to change it to 2 sentences about a dinosaur. So I'm going to say 1 is here and 2 is here. Okay, I want you to write a sentence using 4 of the spelling words. So any of the words on the whole list you can use, but you need to use 2 in each sentence, and your sentences need to be about dinosaurs. Okay? So you need to find 2 spelling words in each sentence, because we're using 4 spelling words total, but we're going to do 2 in each sentence. Okay? Just write about dinosaurs and use 2 spelling words in each sentence. And then when you're done, meet me on page 25. All right, friends, on this page we're going to be talking about suffixes. A lot of times we talk about a prefix. Okay? A prefix comes at the beginning of the word. Okay? Beginning of the word. A suffix, which is what we're talking about today, comes at the end of the word. Try to remember that. Okay, today we're focusing on the suffix. All right, so I have those 2, the prefix and the suffix. Sorry, I should have wrote prefix. Sorry, prefix and suffix. Circle the word in each sentence that has the suffix ly. On the line, write the meaning of the word. So everybody's answers could be slightly different for this one. So you need to find the word that ends in ly. The angry dog growled fiercely. Okay, so I underline the word that ends in ly, and I want you to write in your own words, what does fiercely mean? Listen to the sentence. The angry dog growled fiercely. Okay, what do you think that means? Okay, in my book, you could say he growled in a fierce way or a mean way. Okay, so in a fierce way. But you might use a different word, and that's okay. You could say in a mean way. I want you to use the other words in the sentence to help figure out what that word means. Sometimes you might know what the word means, right? And a lot of times I'm going to use this word in the definition, okay? So fiercely, I use the word fierce in my definition. Okay, let's try that on the next one. The truck driver honked the horn loudly when the light turned green. What does loudly mean? Okay, and notice I'm starting the same again. It means in a loud way. So loudly, when I add that suffix, I'm really using the word loud in my definition. Okay, so you are going to be starting all of these with in a, all the way down, okay? And then you're going to be using that other part of the word. Okay. Right? And they're always going to end in way too, if that helps you at all. In a blank way. So I think you guys are going to see the pattern as you start doing these. Okay. So remember to use the word that has the suffix, the ly word, in your definition. Okay. All right. And you will be good to go. So you're underlining the word. Maria won the race easily because she is the fastest runner in our class. So I use the beginning of the word in an easy way. That one's actually A-N, guys. In an easy way. Okay? All right, you got it. Thanks, guys.